Hey you guys, here's a quick tip on how to master pressing down on the F major chord. Now when I first learned how to do it, I put one finger at a time, but by the time I got to all my four fingers, my fingers were pretty sore and tired. So this is what I do now, and this is what I teach now, okay? So you get in the chord formation, so you get all your finger placements correct. Don't press anything down just yet. Once you get pretty familiar with your chord formation, now you press all the strings down at the same time, and this is how you practice it. And then, voila! Hopefully that tip helped. See you next time.